it's giveaway time. Hi guys, I'm back. Right, not posted a video for a while, so it's been incredibly busy. We've had a really busy end to last year, so I've not been able to do too much. But we're back, and hopefully with some projects coming up in the next few months. But to celebrate having 1,000 followers on Instagram, we're going to do a giveaway. So we're going to do it on YouTube as well. So first of all, what are we giving away? I hear you ask. First off, we have the brand spanking new food and toy safe wax, gloss wax from Hampshire Sheen. We've got standard high gloss wax from Hampshire Sheen, my favourite. Tin of that. And a little Hampshire Sheen tin opener. We've got we've got Hampshire Sheen t-shirt, extra large t-shirt. We've got a sample set of the Intrinsic colours, so you get air-free colouring range in this one. Only little bottles. This stuff is really concentrated. This will go a long way. You'll do a lot of colouring just with a sample set. We've got a sample set of the embellishment waxes, so you've got all the waxes on here. So you've got gold, silver, bronze, black, white, electric green, electric blue, and my favourite, electric purple. Again, this will go a long way. You'll do a lot of colouring with this. You've got a Hampshire Sheen hoodie, just to keep your work warm in your workshop, and anything else I can find that will fit in the box lying around the workshop, we'll lob it in. Right, what do you have to do? Right, first of all, subscribe to my channel. We're steaming up a little bit. Subscribe to my channel. Also, subscribe to Hampshire Sheen's channel, put the link below. And leave me a comment in the comments below so I know that you've done that, and that way I can pick a winner. Also, for another chance of winning, nip over to Instagram. Again, links are below. Follow the rules on the Instagram posts. It's basically just leave a comment, tag a couple of friends and like the post, and just make sure you follow me and Hampshire Sheen. And then starting this Saturday the, I don't know what day it is. Right, we're going to start on Saturday the 8th of February, and we're going to run it until the 22nd, so it's going to be run for 2 weeks. Then we'll randomly pick a winner, and I'll announce it on here, announce it on Instagram, and get the package out to you as quick as possible. Fortunately, it's only open to the guys in the UK. It's just way too complicated, I'm afraid, to try and send this all over the world. So just open to the guys in the UK. We'll try and do a worldwide one, maybe later on in the year. So there you go. Thanks for watching. New project coming up. Quick preview. I turned a lot of oak burr or burl, depending where you are in the world, and I've got this. More of a bunion. But yeah, we're going to be turning it out this weekend, or at least having a go. So hopefully, up and coming project. Like I say, I've not posted any projects for a while. Really, to be honest, really bad end to the year last year. So not had a lot of time, workshop time full stop. So hopefully that's now changed. Get into the workshop and got some good projects, and hopefully things to show you guys in the new year. Thanks for tuning in. See you later guys, good luck.